What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, right here are all 6 of my cars. We've got my 2021 5.0 Mustang, my 2007 E90 328i, my 2018 BMW F30, my detailing van, and my 2016 Audi B8.5. But today's video is about none of those. It's going to be all about the journey of building my 2007 335i. So stick around, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and get ready to tag along for the journey so far of building this 335i. I'm stoked, bro. This car's so clean. I think you guys are gonna be stoked on it. Got our 10K in action here, ready to go. Well, boys, here is the car. Super easy mods, but I still gotta lay the tape on the trunk wing, so let's do that. This looks so good. This thing looks so good. So these are the current mirrors, and these are legit horrendous, bro. So we're gonna swap those out right now. And just like that, 10 minutes later, we are all done, and this thing looks great. Look at that. Okay, now I believe this is everything we need. Okay, we just finished up with the first side, and that looks so much better, bro. Look at the difference between those two sides. Okay, that is one of the better things I've done. That actually looks so much better, bro. Maybe this Icon Motorsports front bumper cover for the E92. Okay, so we just finished the sanding process. Okay, so we're gonna let the adhesion promoter dry for a little bit. We just finished up with paint on this thing. Here from Nelson Racing Wheel, we've got a forged carbon front splitter with blue flake. That blue flake with the blue intake scoops. Now there's a bunch of mods I didn't get to film, so we're gonna go over those real quick. Here we've got the M Sport steering wheel. I believe I paid $250 for this on Facebook, and the black headliner swap was about $400. Our VRSF catback exhaust was $1,100. VRSF relocated cold air intakes. This was $600 for the kit. Upgraded oil cooler, I believe that was $400. Charge pipe was $300. Blow off valve was about $100, I think. The downpipe was $400. VRSF intercooler was $700 for the kit. We got these 2 red caps that are completely going to change the look of the engine bay. Bro, these turned out so freaking good. We've got this brand new carbon antenna for the 335 from Keys Motorsports, and this is going to look sick. I didn't really clean it down that well, so hopefully this stays on there, but I'm super happy with how that turned out. I believe it's this one, and we've got some brand new carbon fiber for the E92. Oh, dude, I swear there's nothing nicer than carbon fiber in the sun. Look at this. And we're gonna be swapping it out for this gloss black wing. Now, I'm not gonna film too much of the removal because this is likely gonna take a while, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so we got the first one off. There's still a lot of tape to remove, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that quickly. Killer. Well, boys, we finally got it on, and this thing looks insane. But man, that carbon fiber just goes crazy, dude. Now, in this box here from, well, you'll never guess, Keys Motorsports, we've got some brand new carbon mirrors. And these things are looking so good. So let's go ahead and throw these on. We'll be swapping them out for these carbon mirror caps that we already have on the car. Here's a quick comparison between the two, and man, the new ones look so freaking good, dude. Let's put these on. Okay, well, we got the first one on, and this is looking fire, bro. And just like that, we are all done. That literally took like 10 minutes. This looks so dang good, bro. And check this out, boys. From Keys Motorsports, again, we've got some brand new carbon fiber for the E92. And this piece here is a roof spoiler. That's gonna look so freaking sick, dude. Okay, well, we got all our tape laid out. Now I just need to go ahead and heat it up a bit, and we should be good to go. Okay, well, it is finally on the car, and this thing looks so freaking good. Check out that carbon fiber. Absolutely money. We gotta pull this thing out into the sun so we can see all the carbon. Now, before we get into the final mod, we still need to wash the car and check out all the carbon, so let's go do that. Okay, well, we got this thing all dried off, and this looks so good. Look at just those 3 carbon pieces alone in the sun, dude. Holy. Well, without further ado, let's get straight into this new mod. Now, in this box over here, we have some brand new tail lights for the E92 335. And I believe these came out to around $800. Now, I am super excited to put these on, but first we got to pull this car forward a little bit to get some more working room, and then we should be good to go. Quick final look at the tail lights before we swap them out as well. This is them lit up. Oh man, I can already tell this is gonna look so sick. Let's put this in. Okay, well, we've got the first piece on. I'm gonna leave the plastic on a bit to get the full reaction later. But next, let's go for the top piece. All right, we've got our next piece on. Let's get a quick preview here, just a little one.
Killer.
Okay, boys, well, we are all done. We've got both the taillights installed. Now I just got to do a bit of cleanup, plug these ones in, and we got to see if they work. We've got them both connected. I got our first box just taped on the wall right there. And then the other connection box is just in behind that panel. Now I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect the battery, and we're gonna see if these work. Oh, baby, those look good. Let's peel this off. Sheesh. We are officially all done. And these things look insane. They're also sequential, which looks so freaking sick, bro. Man, these lights just look so freaking good. Well, I think that's going to be the end of today's video. If you stayed till the end, comment W down below in the comment section. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.